Welcome to Essential English Only.
Your practical English lessons in podcast format.
Hi, I'm Alex, your practical English teacher, the one who doesn't waste your time. Many times you study English, you understand some words, but when you need to speak, your mind freezes. This happens because you still think in your own language and try to translate each sentence. That process is slow, tiring, and creates insecurity. You are not alone. Thousands of learners feel the same way every day in different countries. It is normal to face this barrier, but it is not impossible to overcome. The good news is that there is a simple and practical way to train your brain to think directly in English without translation. And it doesn't require hours of study or complicated grammar books. It only takes a few minutes of consistent practice every day with techniques that fit into your routine. Today, I will show you 5 of these techniques. Small shortcuts that will unlock your speech and make English a natural part of your thinking. If you stay with me until the end, you will see how to apply these techniques in a practical way and even how to use technology when a new word appears. That way you will never again be stuck translating in your head. Let's go together, without pressure, because every small victory matters. And remember, you don't need to memorize difficult rules. Focus on the essential. In the morning, when you look at objects around you, describe them in English. For example, you see your toaster and say, "This is my toaster." Then add more. "This is my toaster, and it is very hot." Then, "This is my toaster, and it is very hot because I'm making bread for breakfast." Now pick up your cup. "This is my cup." Then, "This is my cup of coffee." And then, "This is my big cup of coffee, and it keeps me awake in the morning." This practice connects images directly to English. In the afternoon, you can do the same in another environment. Imagine you are in the office or studying. You look at your backpack. "This is my backpack." Then, "This is my black backpack." Then, "This is my black backpack, and it is heavy today." Finally, "This is my black backpack. It is heavy because I put my laptop and some notebooks inside." Another example is your water bottle. "This is my bottle." Then, "This is my green bottle." And then, "This is my green bottle, and it is full of cold water." At night, practice with other objects at home. You look at the television and say, "This is my TV." Then, "This is my TV, and it is very old." And, "This is my TV, it is very old, but I still watch movies on it every night." Another example is the sofa. "This is my sofa." Then, "This is my brown sofa." And, "This is my brown sofa, and it is very comfortable when I read a book." Each sentence grows naturally with small details. In the morning, you can create short dialogues in the kitchen. "I need a spoon." Then, "I need a spoon to eat my cereal." And, "I can't find a spoon. Maybe it is in the drawer." Now another example. "I need my keys." Then, "I need my keys, but I don't remember where they are." And, "Oh, my keys are on the table." These dialogues create real-life situations. In the afternoon, try this at the supermarket. Think, "I need some tomatoes." Then, "I need some tomatoes to cook pasta tonight." And, "These tomatoes look fresh. I will take 3 of them." Now on the bus, "I need a seat." Then, "I need a seat because I am tired." And, "There is an empty seat near the window. I will sit there." You are teaching your brain to answer automatically in English. At night, continue at home. "I need a blanket." Then, "I need a blanket because it is cold." And, "I need a warm blanket because I want to watch a movie on the sofa." Another example. "I need some paper." Then, "I need some paper to write a note." And I need some paper to write a note for my friend Alex. Every small scene becomes practice. In the morning, think about what happened yesterday. Yesterday, I cleaned my kitchen. Then, yesterday, I cleaned my kitchen and washed the dishes. And yesterday, I cleaned my kitchen, washed the dishes, and listened to music. Another one, yesterday, I read a newspaper. Then, yesterday, I read a newspaper about politics. And yesterday, I read a newspaper about politics, and it made me think a lot. In the afternoon, remember something from work or school. Yesterday, I had a class. Then, yesterday, I had a class about history. And yesterday, I had a class about history. And I learned something very interesting. Another one, yesterday, I met a colleague. Then, yesterday, I met a colleague at the cafeteria. And yesterday, I met a colleague at the cafeteria, and we talked about our weekend. At night, focus on personal memories. Yesterday, I watched a movie. Then, yesterday, I watched a movie with my family. And yesterday, I watched a movie with my family, and we laughed a lot. Another one, yesterday, I cooked pasta. Then, yesterday, I cooked pasta with tomato sauce. And yesterday, I cooked pasta with tomato sauce, and it was delicious. Personal memories stay longer in the mind. Is this making English easier for you? Then hit that like button. I never asked you for anything before. In the morning, start with simple routine sentences. Good morning. Then, good morning. I feel fine today. And, good morning. I feel fine today because I slept very well. Another example. I am brushing my teeth. Then, I am brushing my teeth in the bathroom. And, I am brushing my teeth in the bathroom because I want to feel fresh. In the afternoon, continue. At lunchtime, it is time for lunch. Then, it is time for lunch. I am hungry. And, it is time for lunch. I am hungry. So I will eat rice and chicken. Another one, I am walking to the bus stop. Then, I am walking to the bus stop near the park. And I am walking to the bus stop near the park because I need to go downtown. At night, before bed, you can say, good night. Then, good night. I am very tired now. And good night. I am very tired now, but I want to read a few pages before sleeping. Another one, I am washing the dishes. Then, I am washing the dishes in the kitchen. And I am washing the dishes in the kitchen while listening to music. These short habits train your brain daily. In the morning, imagine someone says, Alex, are you ready? And I reply, yes, I'm ready now. Another one, Alex, can you open the window? And I say, sure, I can open the window for you. A longer one. Alex, do you want some coffee? And I answer, yes, I want some coffee, but without sugar, please. In the afternoon, create social dialogues. Alex, are you coming with us? And I say, yes, I will join you in 5 minutes. Another, Alex, can you help me with this box? And I reply, of course, I will help you carry it. More complete. Alex, do you want to join the meeting? And I say, yes, I want to join, but I need to finish this report first. At night, imagine personal situations. Alex, are you watching TV? And I reply, yes, I am watching a documentary. Another, Alex, do you want to play a game? And I reply, yes, I want to play for a little while before bed, a longer one. Alex, are you tired? And I say, yes, I am tired, but I feel happy because today was a productive day. These phrases make English part of your identity. From tomorrow, choose one object you see in the morning, like your toothbrush, your cup, or your phone, and describe it in English with at least 3 sentences. Start simple, then add more details. If you don't know the word in English, don't stop. Take your phone and use a quick translator. You can use Gemini, where you open the camera, show the object, and get the word instantly. Or Google Translate, where you take a picture and see the translation. Write down the word, say it out loud, and never forget it again. Every object in your day can become a teacher of English. Congratulations! Today you practiced 5 real techniques to train your brain to think in English. You described objects, created internal dialogues, spoke about your memories, transformed daily routines into automatic phrases, and used your own name in conversations. Each technique is a tool to eliminate mental translation. You achieved a real victory today. You spoke complete sentences, created mini-stories, and learned how to use objects from your life as practice. This proves that learning doesn't happen only in books but also in daily situations. Keep practicing every day. Remember, it is not about perfection. It is about consistency. Each sentence you repeat opens the way to the next one. Step by step, you are training your mind to think naturally in English. Your progress has already begun. I'm Alex, and this is Essential English Only. Keep listening, repeating, and developing your English every day. You really learned what matters. See you in the next lesson, focusing on the essentials.